Hello, it's Crafty Ria. I'm so glad you're joining me today. I have an unboxing to do from a company that is new to me. It is called InLoveArts, and they have a lot of great crafting supplies, die cuts, metal dies, and that sort of thing. They allowed me to go to their website and choose some items so I can bring you these videos. I will do an unboxing, and then I will also do 2 project tutorial videos using the metal dies that I chose. The company is InLoveArts. They also gave me a coupon code to share with you, and here is the coupon code. And that will get you 20% off of your order. And also, they have free worldwide shipping on $25. So that is an awesome, awesome deal. So please do go check them out. I will put all of the links and also the coupon code in the description box below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscribe button and then click on the bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Let's go ahead and show you what I received in my first order from them. I chose some dies. There is this metal tag die and these circle dies. And I went ahead and cut them out. Let's start with this tag die. Oh, and I forgot there's one more. These snowflakes. So this tag die, I went ahead and cut out. Now I will say all of these dies cut perfectly and easily. Everything came out great. I didn't have to do any special tricks like you've probably seen people do with dryer sheets and stuff. I didn't have to do anything special. They worked wonderfully in my Big Shot. So we have that, and this is what it cut out, and it's a tag, and it is scored down the center. You can see that there are score marks there. I don't think it shows up on the black. There you go, you can see it. So then it folds really easy, and you can make a shaker box or anything like that out of it. And this cut great. And I just used regular cardstock that was in my scraps. So there we go. We have that. I'm looking forward to making some fun things with that. Let me show it to you on the white. Very cool. I'm excited about that die. And then we have these circles, and this is a set of 3, and they come attached. You can take them apart. I didn't want to take them apart yet until I showed you on the video, but they have these little pieces that attach them, and they are meant to be taken apart and used separately, but I left them attached. And see, that's how easily they come apart. You just find those little pieces that hold them together, and then you just bend, and then they come apart. So you do have 3 separate dies here, and I cut those out, and this is how they come apart. This is how they look. That's the big one, and then the medium-sized one, the little one, and then it cuts. Each one of them cuts out the circle on the inside. So then you have that would be the little circle. I thought these would be great to use as frames around recycled Christmas cards. So we're going to go ahead and play with that. These are fun. And this was cut out of a textured, I don't know if you can see it, a textured piece of cardstock that was in my scraps. So there we go. I really love these and I'm excited to use them. And all of these little pieces cut out really well. They came out super easy. They did not get stuck, and they did not get stuck in the dies. So that is, to me, that's very important when I cut dies. These are really good quality. They're heavy duty. And they cut out so easily. And then we have this. I have been wanting a snowflake border die for a long time, and I was so happy to see that they had one. And this is the die, and I cut out several of these because I liked it so much. And if you want to, you can cut them apart, or you can just leave it as a border, and it would go great on the border of a card, a recycled Christmas card, of course. So, and these came out really easy. The paper did not get stuck in here at all. It was just a really, really good cut. It gave a nice clean cut, and I even cut, like I said, 3 of these out. This is a thicker cardstock. It is some cardstock that I got that has a little bit of a sheen to it. So we have that one. I'm excited to use that on cards. And then the last set I got was this one. And there are 4 dies in this set, and again, they just pop apart real easy like that. I went ahead and cut it while they were all together, and I cut that in black. I really like this lamppost. I don't have anything similar to that at all for die cuts, so I thought that would be great. And the fence is great for lots of different things. And I really like bicycles, so I of course had to get the bicycle. And this one here says Happy Journey. And I thought that would be really, really cute for springtime cards or anything. The lamppost would also be good for recycled Christmas cards. You know, up along the side of one or something like that. They are so pretty, and these dies are really good quality. Now in this one, a couple little pieces got stuck, but as you can see, that one just came out. They pop out real easy. I just need to get a pointy tool and pop them out. And they didn't get stuck in those little tiny pieces. So we have that one, and the bicycle, and the fence, and I don't know if you can hear them. They are really heavy and a really good quality. And then the Happy Journey. And you can even see, like on the bicycle, there's some detailing on there. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there's little details along the tires and along the back. And there's also some detailing in the fence. And then of course you can see the details on the lamppost. I will be making 2 more videos coming up in the near future with some projects using these dies, so you'll definitely want to check back for those. Meanwhile, I will put all of the links in the description box below so you can go check them out. And again, they have free shipping on $25 worldwide, and then also the coupon code that I have provided that will give you 20% off of your order. I will also have the links and everything in my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea. So please head on over there. If you haven't joined that yet, you might want to. I will put all kinds of goodies on that site as well. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you very much. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.